मॉर्निंग सब्जेक्ट जनरल इंग्लिश स्टैंडर्ड 7। टुडे आज हम चैप्टर करेंगे 6 द स्पेशल वर्ब्स बी एंड हैव। द वर्ब्स बी एंड हैव आर कॉल्ड स्पेशल वर्ब्स बिकॉज they don't need the auxiliaries to form the negative or the interrogative as all other verbs do. Example, he is happy. Statement affirmative means के positive, huh? He is not happy, negative. And is he happy, interrogative. Interrogative मतलब क्वेश्चन मार्क वाला होता है, वो उसको इंग्लिश में इंट्रोगेटिव कहते हैं, प्रश्नार्थ चिन्ह वाला. Now read this sentence. She had a car. Statement affirmative. She had not hadn't a car. Negative. Had she a car? Interrogative. किसी से कोई क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो तो ऐसे पूछते हैं. In all the above sentence, no auxiliaries is used with the form of the auxiliaries be and have to form the negative or interrogative. Now read the following sentence. The bird is flying. Is the girls are dancing. Girls, I am reading. Okay, the underlined words in the sentence above are all auxiliaries formed from the verb be in the formations of progressive tense. There is an inventions for the questions which can be answered with yes or no using either short form answers or long form answers. Examples: is the bird flying? Yes, it is, or no, it isn't. Short form है. Yes, the bird is flying, or no, the bird is not flying. Long form. Now read the following sentence. I have finished my work just now. Have. She has completed her homework. He had met once before. The underlined words in the sentence about the auxiliaries from the verb have in the formation of the perfect tenses. There is an inventions for the questions which can be answered using either short form or long form answer. Example: has he finished his work? Yes, he has, or no, he hasn't. Yes, he has finished his work, or no, he hasn't not finished his work. So long form में और short form में पता चला. नीचे दिया है, देखो. Read the passage and answer the questions given below using only short form answers. Rana Sanga was the ruler of Mewar. He had a beautiful queen called Karnavati. She gave birth to a son who was named Uday Singh. On the same day, a son was born to Panna, a maidservant who worked in the palace. When Uday Singh was only a child, his father died. His mother, Queen Karnavati, decided to end her life by becoming a sati. She called Panna and laying the little prince in her hands said, Panna, I entrust the hope of Mewar to your care. I am sure you will not let any harm come to him. With tears in her eyes, the nurse promised that she would hold the prince dearer than her own son and would not spare even her life to guard him. If need arose, comforted by these words, the queen marched away to the funeral pyre of her husband and was soon consumed by the flame. देखो शॉर्ट में बना है. So, did Rana Sanga rule over Mewar? Yes, he did. Had he beautiful queen? Yes, he had. Did she give birth to daughter? No, she didn't. इसकी daughter की birth हुई थी इसके अंदर. Was Panna a maid servant in the palace? Yes, she was. Was Uday Singh a grown-up boy when his father died? Yes, he was. Had Panna tears in her eyes when she promised that she would bring up the little prince with love and care? Yes, she had. Was the queen comforted by the Panna words? Yes, she was. Was Panna a great and loyal nurse? Yes, she was. देख लो, इंग्लिश की नोटबुक में लिखना है. Clear? Now next, assignment 8. Apostrophes कहाँ पे लगता है वो? We have already learned that the sign of the apostrophes with is mostly used with the common and the proper nouns to show ownership of the position. Example: Sita's frock is new. Sita's. The horse's tail is used. It is also used to show omissions of the letter is the contracted from. He doesn't know at arithmetic. She didn't go to school yesterday. Example: put the sign of the apostrophes where necessary in the following sentences. Gopal uncle is a rich man. So Gopal's L के बाद apostrophes आएगा. She can't write neatly. N के बाद आएगा. I am interested in music. I के बाद आएगा. Birds sing sweetly. D के बाद आएगा. Who's coming to picnic tomorrow? Who's O के बाद आएगा. Boys and girls stage a drama. Y के बाद and L के बाद. This is a book and these are its page. T के बाद आएगा. He is my brother. E के बाद. I don't like bitter coffee. N के बाद. Those boys' shirts are dirty. Y के बाद. He is Gopal's father. E and L के बाद. We bought a lot of apples and grapes. E के बाद apostrophes. यहाँ पे भी E के बाद apostrophes. I did it for Hari's sake. I के बाद. Dogs and cats are domestic animals. Dogs में G के बाद, cat में T के बाद. The sun shines and the wind blows. E के बाद and W के बाद. Okay, clear? apostrophes कहाँ कहाँ रखना है? Done? इंग्लिश 2 के चैप्टर्स इंग्लिश 2 की नोटबुक में लिखने हैं.